Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're outside again because I got to show you my ceiling fan display. My brand new ceiling fan display. My new ceiling fan. There's no power to these fans yet, see? They're just hanging right now. Fan I got from Abusive Family. See? And this fan. This one I also got from Abusive Family. That one's hanging in an electrical box. Yeah, this is the abandoned building that I was showing you. There's a light kit for it, and those are the blades. I need to get new blade motor screws so I can put these blades on them. And the other blades for this one's broke. Yeah, feel bad for this one. This one came from Abusive Family. Can't use the canopy up there because that mounting bracket, that canopy goes to that fan. Same as the down rod up there goes to that fan. So I'll see you in the next one. Hope you guys like and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye.